Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Ecomi or Omi coin. So in this video I will show you the live price change occur in Omi coin, what's the high price, what's the current price, and what's the price change occur in Omi at this time, what's the status of Omi and cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour, that is the current change occur in the Omi coin live you are watching now friends. The change occur in the Omi coin as negative 2.26. oh my god, what's this? I'm also order of Omi coin. It's very sad. Oh my goodness, that broken my heart at this time. But anyways, let's start the price prediction. And the high price of Omi coin is $0.009181. It is the high price. Oh my goodness, is it a high price? What do you think about this high price? Please share in the comment box. And friends, if you look the price prediction chart of the Omi coin, absolutely continuously falling down. What's this? That's really a bad news for me. What's your opinion about this change? Please share in the comment box. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 day? Let's see the high price of last 1 day, the price change occur in the last 1 day, and as you can see here, that is the current price of Omi coin as about $0.008974 is the current price. Oh, that's the current price. Look at this. Look at this friends, that is the current price. That will make me mad at this time. As you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 day and Omi coin as negative 3.92% in the last 1 day. Oh my goodness, what's going on in Omi coin? What's wrong with you? $0.009406 is the high price friends of Omi in the last 1 day. Oh my goodness, what's in this? I'm fully at the loss at this time. Because I'm also holder of Omi coin, that is why I'm saying this kind of words. As you can see here, the continuously falls occur in the Omi coin at this time, but after this change occur, I have a hope maybe they explode in the future, maybe they start jumping in the future. That is why I'm not disappointed by the Omi coin. What's your opinion about Omi coin? If you are a holder, what's your opinion? As it best time to buy, sell, or hold? My suggestion for all of you, if you are a holder, to please hold your Omi coin and please wait for the big explosion of the Omi coin. Please wait. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.